Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina, and on this channel we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I am going to show you how to make a peach caprese salad. This has got to be one of the easiest summer salads you will ever make. Very typical from a caprese salad. So we have our tomato, mozzarella, and basil, and that's really what a caprese salad is. So we're going to be adding in some sliced peaches as well. And for those of you who don't know, I know Georgia is really known for peaches, but Jersey grows some really good peaches as well, and they've been really good so far this year. So we're just going to add these in and layer them up on our plate the same way we would a typical caprese salad. If you guys want, you can also check out in the card above my cucumber caprese salad. That was one that we did for you last year. So this is the kind of dish that we love in my family, and it really is a matter of whatever's around. So if you don't like peaches, you could use nectarines. Any stone fruit really would work well here. But we're just going to start by layering in our tomato. I'm going to just skip the very end one here. And then some mozzarella, slice of peach. Oh, we'll add some basil. Have this big, beautiful, fresh basil leaves. And when you're slicing the peach, obviously because it's got that pit in the center, you're gonna get these kind of center pieces that look a little bit like this, and they might be a little wonky. I don't have a problem putting them kind of like hidden in the middle of the salad. Certainly they're perfectly fine to eat. But if you don't want to serve them like that, you can just set them aside and have them as a little snack while you're going. We'll end with another piece of tomato so everything stays nice and together. Now, to dress our salad, really, really simple. We're just gonna add a little bit of salt. Drizzle the dish with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to finish this up today with a balsamic glaze, and I want to thank our friends at Denigris Vinegars. They were the ones who sent us this. It's been a really great product. We've really enjoyed it so far. So it's an already cooked down balsamic vinegar, and it just enhances the sweetness of the vinegar and the flavor of it in general, and I really like it with this salad. It pairs really nicely with the peaches, so we'll just go over like this. That is it. How easy is that? A delicious peach caprese salad. You can serve that alongside your favorite barbecue or any great summer meal. It's the perfect side dish. Honestly, it makes a really good vegetarian lunch as well. Guys, as always, the recipe is going to be available at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. I will see you guys next time. Buon appetito.